Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover layout menu. Let's begin. There are 3 sections. First section is page setup. Second section is paragraph. Third section is arrange. Let's begin with first section. That is page setup. We can add different margin types from list. Or we can add custom margins. We can set orientation. That is portrait. Or landscape. We can set different size from list. Or we can set more paper sizes. We can convert data in document into multiple columns from list. Also, we can use more columns option. We can add page breaks. That is page, column and text wrapping. We can add section breaks. That is next page, continuous, even page and odd page. We can add line numbers. Options are, none, continuous, restart each page, restart each section, suppress for current paragraph. Also, we can use line numbering options. We can add hyphenation. With options as none, automatic and manual. Also, we can use hyphenation options. Under page setup, more options. There are 3 tabs. Under margins tab, we can set top, bottom, left, right, gutter and gutter position for margins. We can set portrait or landscape orientation. Options for multiple page margins are normal, mirror margins, 2 pages per sheet, book fold. We can see preview and apply these margin changes to whole document or this point forward. Also, we can set changes applied as default. Next tab is paper. Under paper size, we can select paper type, width, and height. We can select paper source for first page and other pages. We can preview settings applied. We can apply these changes to whole document or this point forward. Next tab is layout. Under section, we can set section start. With options, continuous, new column, new page, even page and odd page. Also, we can suppress endnotes. Under headers and footers, we can select different odd and even in different first page. Also, we can set from edge header and footer. Under page vertical alignment, we can select top, center, justified and bottom. We can see preview and apply changes to whole document or this point forward. Next section is paragraph. We can add left and right indent. We can add before and after spacing. Next section is arrange. Under position, we can select in line with text wrapping, and more layout options. Under text wrap, we can have in line with text, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text, edit wrap, points, move with text, fix position on page, more layout options and set as default layout. Under bring forward, we have bring forward, bring to front and bring in front of text. Under send backward, we have send backward, send to back and send behind text. We can also use selection pane. This option is also available under editing section of home menu. Under align, we have align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom, distribute horizontally, distribute vertically, align to page, align to margin, align selected objects, use alignment guides, view grid lines and grid settings. Under group, we have group and ungroup options. Under rotate, We have rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal and more rotation options. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.